Well, welcome back to Blue House Farm. My name's Harry, so I'm the warden here for the Essex Wildlife Trust. And today we've got these mallard ducks that have been rescued by the South Essex Wildlife Hospital, and we're going to put them out on our fleets down here, which are these shallow ponds that we've got on the nature reserve. And this is the first job we've got to do, is release these mallards, and then we've got a batch of shelduck which we're also going to release out on the mudflats as well. So we've come over to Round Marsh now, which is an area of flooded fields that we artificially hold the water on. So in the winter time this is really good for wading birds and waterfowl. You get lots of lapwing and golden plover here, and you also get shelduck. And that's what we're about to release. These are from the South Essex Wildlife Hospital, and we are going to release these rescued ones that are now of a suitable age onto Round Marsh. And shelduck are one of our larger duck species. The adults typically they will nest in, especially on Blue House Farm Nature Reserve, they will use old rabbit burrows to actually nest in. So they're a sort of burrow nesting bird. They're nesting on the ground. And then so we've got several different broods here that we're going to release onto these flooded fields.